Hi everyone, welcome back to Add Art. Thanks for all the support. It's good to hear that you've been enjoying following along to the videos and doing drawing at home. Just remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos that I might post. I'm uploading all the time, so yeah, make sure you subscribe. Today I'm doing a grizzly bear, and this is for a little lad called Lewis who really likes bears, so let's make a start on that. I'll put an eye in here. And I often start my drawings with eyes. I think it's because it gives a sense of where the head's going to be, and make sure you have enough space for the rest of the body as well. So we'll have him looking down, and that'll make sense as I finish this drawing. And his nose, big nose for sniffing out their food. They like honey, don't they? And nuts and fruit and berries. And we'll just bring this round here like that, and up, and then round there like that. Quite a big face. And we'll draw the rest of his face. We'll give him a good shaggy face. They're really hairy creatures. They're big heads. So do the other side. There we go, bring that down, give him a bit of a shaggy chin. And we need to give him some bare ears as well, little round ears. There we go. There's kind of one. Give him some spiky hair. There we go. And finish the bottom of his mouth as well, like that. They almost seem to have like eyebrows as well, so let's give him some friendly eyebrows like that. We could just do some little marks on his mouth. Now, they have huge backs as well, so I'm going to start his back just behind his head, and it goes up. They have massive shoulders. I was reading when they stand up, this one's going to be standing on all fours, but when they stand on their back legs, because they can stand like a person, almost 2 meters high, which is really tall, and they're super strong as well. So that's coming down the back there. I'll leave that bit for now, and I'll put in his front leg. So I'm going to just have it slightly behind his head there. Bring this down, and then there's his front paw. Huge paws. And they use these for flipping out salmon from the rivers. They're quite clever fishermen, really. And then this one comes there. Now the back legs are almost backwards to the way our legs bend, like dog's legs. If you look at a dog's leg, the back legs bend the opposite way. So we'll put that in. Huge leg, quite shaggy there. There we go. We'll put his other foot in like that. So there's our bear. Now we need to put him somewhere. So let's draw a rock like that, and another rock to support him there. And let's make that a river. Like I was saying, they catch salmon, so we put some of these arches in. It looks like little waves breaking against the rocks. And they often do this. They often just stand in the middle of a river on rocks. Put some dots in to make it look a bit rocky. And yeah, just scoop out the salmon as they swim by and have salmon for lunch. Right, so we'll just do the edge of the riverbank here. And across the back there. And the edge of the riverbank there, like that. Let's put some more waves in so we can tell that that is a fast flowing river. And you'll find grizzly bears in like Canada and Alaska. There we go. And let's draw some of these, the sorts of trees you might find in Canada. Been there once, it's beautiful country, and yeah, they have these huge trees there, so put some of those in. There we go. We can put some tree trunks behind there, almost like it's a forest, dense forest. There we go. Maybe do another few over this side as well, fill it out. Another one. And something else that I saw when I was in Canada was, you often see these eagles as well flying around. Massive birds. So there we go. I think that's coming together. And let's just give the bear a bit more kind of furry texture on there, like that. Obviously you can spend a bit more time putting the fur in and making sure it looks super hairy. In the trees here, let's just do some additional kind of leaves there. These great big pines, like branches hanging down. Do another couple up there. Fantastic. And I think we're kind of done for the day. So there's your grizzly bear. I hope Lewis likes it. And yeah, I'll see you again for another Add Art. Like I say, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. And I'll see you next time. Take care.